So today I'm going to show you how to set up an automatic withdrawal on your PayPal business account. Now we're actually going to be here on desktop so you can follow along in real time. You can currently see on the left-hand side over here, we are currently on the home tab of the screen when we log in for the first time into our account. Now, whether you're brand new to PayPal or you've had it for a while, this is where it should take you automatically for you. Now, you can see right over here, we actually currently have our balance. We got a nickel in here because we do an automatic transfer. So for some reason, we had $5 left over here. And you can see over here on this side right here, it says weekly and it has that like rotation image. This means that on a weekly basis, we have any money that's sitting in our PayPal account automatically withdrawn into our business bank account. Now you can set this up as a daily thing, as a weekly, monthly, whatever fits your bill for your business. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. All right, so I went ahead and removed our auto transfer so you can see the weekly is now gone. So I can show you step by step as if you are brand new to this setup here. So for us, what we're going to do is click over here where it says manage money. It has that down arrow here we can click on. And here you're going to see where it says set up auto transfer. So let's go ahead and click on this. Now that's going to take you to this screen right over here where first and foremost, it's going to have any bank that you have on file. You can always change it if you have multiple banks or you want to add a new bank. Go ahead and click on the word change here. Next up, it's going to be the frequency. Currently, it has it set up automatically to weekly, but you can click on change here and you can see you could do daily, twice a week, weekly, twice a month, or even monthly. So whatever fits your bill, like we talked about for your small business. So we're going to go ahead and click on weekly here. All right, so ours is now set up for weekly. You can see over here, it's going to be on Mondays at 1 a.m. local time. It's going to pull everything that's in this account over to the bank that's on file right up above. Now it's going to next ask how much of your balance you want to transfer because maybe you don't want to transfer the entire thing. Right here, you can see it's set up for entire, but if you click on change to the right-hand side, you can actually go ahead and click on leave a minimum. So if maybe you need $100, $300, $1,000, whatever you need, you can go ahead and leave it in there. Now we're going to go ahead and just leave it as entire balance. Now here, it's also going to ask if you want to convert and transfer any other currencies. So if somebody pays you in a different currency, you can have this toggled on to automatically go ahead and do the conversion in real time for whatever the conversion rate is at that given moment. Now, once everything here looks good for you, you can go ahead and click on turn on automatic transfer. And then from right over here, you're going to see it says automatic transfers are turned on. It will typically take a couple of days for that money to transfer from PayPal to your business account. You can go ahead and click on the word done here. And similar to when I showed you at the beginning of this video, you're going to see the transfer automatic right over here, whether it's the weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, it'll now show up in here and you are all set to go. Now we have more to show you when it comes to utilizing your PayPal account for business. So check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.